Hello and welcome to a new lesson. We will learn together how to connect to a remote host and log into a specific directory on the remote host. Let's say that I want to connect to the remote host, which is 192.168.8.54, and log into the directory dir2, which in the path /home/mtorc/dir1/dir2. So what shall I do? I have two ways to do that. The first way is to connect to the remote host, then from the remote host running the cd command to the specific directory. Or we can do it by a second way, which is the object of this lesson. Okay, let's start the lesson and type the following command: ssh -t mtorc at 192.168.8.54, then the two quotation mark, and type cd/home/mtorc/dir1/dir2, then semicolon, then bash, and close the two quotation. Okay, let me explain this command before executing it. This command will connect me to the remote host 192.168.8.54. Then it will redirect me to the dir2 directory. The -t option and the bash will help in executing the command which is between the two quotations and stay logged into the remote host. Now let's press enter. Now type the password for user mtorc and press enter. As you see, we are logged into the remote host, which is SSH2. So let's check our path. I will type pwd and press enter. As you see, we are in the dir2 directory as we wanted. And by that we have seen how can we log into a specific directory. Thank you for watching and see you in next lesson.